Hey there, and welcome to another edition of Tutorial Thursdays with Jobim, where we show you how to use and or style our products. So if you're interested in this head wrap tutorial, please stay tuned. Welcome again. We're going to jump right on into the tutorial. The head wrap that we're wrapping today is called the Zuri head wrap. She's a bright multicolored head wrap with circular designs. Here I'm showing you this satin that's on the center so that your hair stays protected. So you're not putting the cotton fabric directly onto your hair. So from here, we're going to find the center and then fold it down about 1 inch. That just gives it a little bit more friction. And what you're going to do is put it at the base of your neck where it feels nice and secure. Keep it taut as you pull your hands around to the front, and then you're going to have one piece in each of your hands as so. Then from there, you're going to tie it just like you would tie a shoe or tie anything else, and tie it as tight as is comfortable for you. Me personally, I like to tie them super tight so that I only have to tie them once throughout the day. Now we're just going to, that extra little piece that was at the top, we're just tucking it in. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're just going to tuck it in. Now we're going to take one side and twist it around itself and then pull that one side around the back. So I'm giving you a back view here, and you're just going to use your finger just to hold it as you use your other hand to do the same exact thing with the opposite side. So I'm just making sure that the first one is still tucked in, making sure my bun is still secure as I'm bringing that other twisted piece around, and we're going to tuck that in too. And there we go. Just zhuzh it, fix it to your liking. If something has come out that was tucked, tuck it back in. But this is the finished product here. Quick, simple, and easy. Here's a view from the back, and there you are. Now, go, go, go. Don't worry about me, I just be extra. But yeah, if you like this tutorial, please go ahead and give us a like. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. See you next time.